For everyone, Dhurandhar, we also had one Nadanya.
Yeah. We have one Adi Purush. We have one मैं तेरा तू मेरी तेरी मेरी माँ की.
Hold up.
These guys are still not here, and the moment they do come, I definitely want them to do this. I will make sure all three of us click a photo in this position.
Alright, so Adar is going to teach us how to do pratfalling like a pro. So the idea was, how do you do a goalkeeper jump but on this?
So the falling on the marble, the one thing you want to avoid, like grass was तो मजा आता है, but here if you fall, the first thing you have to avoid is your elbow, and that's your first instinct.
Correct.
Is to fall on your elbow. The idea is to fall on your tricep and take the entire force on the entire body, so it gets distributed.
Alright, and now Adar is going to show a demo.
Then bang your fist. No, I'm not fucking in the middle of an airport. Thakur can't vlog right now because Thakur's phone is at 14%, which is 90% of the time. His phone is at
more than what it usually.
Also, he has forgotten his laptop charger. Basically,
अरे कल मैं बेहोश हो गया इसलिए.
Oh,
अभी
man.
मैंने the ultimate alcohol soaker McDonald's पहन के आया हूँ. It's like, you know, अगर तेरा दारू गिर गया तो इसे mop लेके आता ना. McDonald's is the mop. It should be called MopDonald's.
If
If you laugh, write in the comments. I laughed.
I left. Or you can write I left also. Thakur has just informed us that in 5th standard he came. No, in second standard में 5th आया था in a basketball exam. In a basketball exam.
It's not a basketball exam. Regular exam. तो मेरे को मेरी माँ ने basketball दिया. अरे congrats किसका है? Second standard में 5th आया तो मुझे first basketball मिला.
But so there's no achievement in basketball from Varun.
No, the achievement happened after I got the basketball ना. पहले था ही नहीं.
बास्केटबॉल है ही नहीं तो कैसे कुछ अचीव करें. This guy, first of all, ये जमीन पे बैठ के जो रेंग के जा रहा है, खड़े होके भी जा सकता है. अच्छा चल धुआं है, अच्छा धुआं है, चल. फिर
ये कौन सा धुआं है जो सिर्फ ऊपर है तो नीचे नहीं आता? What sort of धुआं is that?
So check out his shoes.
To call my sandals.
So about to do doggy style.
While the plane is crashing.
माई भाई क्लब में घुस जाता लास्ट मिनट में.
कि अभी क्रैश हो रही है तो एक last one for the road.
what?
Guys, we've just reached Delhi on our way to the hotel and we've also transported back in time because that's how our luggage is going. Oh, I miss this. I miss this. Like late 90s travel. We're going to enter the hotel.
Wow.
5-star hotel. We're going to enter with luggage. Tell me you're in Delhi without telling me you're in Delhi.
Oh, by the way, Adar is on a billboard.
Yeah, bro.
Do you see him?
Man.
That's Adar.
अरे ये देखो सर.
ये दोस्त, ये अपना है. यही है.
हाँ.
Watch ads like.
There's a bunny. Yeah, we're waiting to check in. Check in, man.
Whoa, sorry.
Yeah.
Wow. What a welcome.
What do you want to bet that it's alive?
So I think that there is a person inside the bunny costume.
One second, repeat.
Move if you're on LSD or something.
Okay, all right. We are going to check this out.
Exactly.
If there's a human being inside the bunny. Alright, we're trying to figure out if this is.
Yeah, there's a person.
No. No. It is a person.
हाँ है. There is somebody inside.
Yes, there is. Our tech hasn't reached that level.
It's a ritual that we have in Delhi now. Every time we check into a hotel in Delhi, we check who's the person who was signed in last.
And
Netflix.
we are now going to enjoy Smarty Boy 80s
Smarty
Netflix.
Boy का algorithm देखते हैं भाई. क्या
Thanks, Smarty Boy. Oh, Smarty Boy was into
Smarty Boy goes from house to watching wrestling.
anime.
He stopped Animal halfway. So these guys
By the way, Animal was just SmackDown but more scripted.
SmackDown with that.
We are now heading to the green room.
It's more like a green bunker because we have to go 2 floors down.
Yeah.
Fallout shelter. And we are green rooming in.
And you will see this is green room number 2. And this is other number 1. You guys have a good time. Okay, Razin, we have roommates. Wow, guys, something cool you could have said while the camera was on you.
Watching you guys perform live is a dream come true, and I have been dreaming this since 2020.
और बोलो सब
I want to see you. I want to see you try to open this. Oh shit!
Let's go.
Oh, man, Koni use karna.
Tiger Shroff.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Like this is how Tiger Shroff is spending his evening in a hotel.
He's trying to. He's pushing. Oh.
निकलेगा कैसे?
Let's see how you do it.
निकलेगा कैसे?
Oh, it was too early. तेरे इश्क की. Oh no, he fucking did it.
Impressed.
Shit, dude. I thought it was a premature तेरे इश्क.
इसको टिप दो.
क्या बात है. It's great. Can't wait for Radisson Blu to see how we treat that dose.
The next day.
अरे काका सुबह सुबह उठ गए नाश्ता करने के लिए कितना फटाफट उठा भाई तू तो
ब्रेकफास्ट तो नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए लेकिन जो उठा है तू उठ के तू यार रेडी सोया था कि उठ के सीधा जाएगा.
नहीं अभी एक्चुअली ऐसे ही
क्या खाएगा मैं आमलेट भी खाऊंगा और ब्रेड भी ब्रेड का बादशाह और आमलेट का राजा बजाज. तू क्या खाएगा नाश्ते में सो जा वापस जाके. मैं मंगा था तेरे लिए केला. इधर हम लोग क्या क्या पहनने का तय करें फ्रूट खाने के लिए उठे.
Fruit, dosa, again some sprouts.
What could be better?
After the tehelka that we've done last night, I
ओ
think we
भाई
need to have
भाई लास्ट नाइट
sprouts.
उधर है ना उधर होगा अभी तक. वो देख रहा है ये दिस तो मैंने इसको समेट के रखा है बट हम लोग ने जितना पेला है ना
इतना खाई है टोटल 80 रोटी और 3 रोटी हमारी 83 रोटी खाई है भैया. चीता बोलना है.
Thakur, a guy has come and he's pushed others. He's literally the muesli. It was pushed onto other, and the man has fled.
You're telling me he pushed the muesli on the Muslim?
There was some Italian guy. He has just shoved this onto other.
Oh wait, so you're telling me Mussolini has put the muesli on the Muslim?
Man, oh God, he's fallen down.
Varun Thakur, Aramai, and Kadak Srivastava.
Oh! Oh my God!
तो तुम्हारी रूम में हालत खराब हो जाएगा वाला ना रूम में यार.
And we're back to our suite. As you can see, यहाँ पर we take our office meetings. यहाँ पर people who come for the meetings think of their ideas.
यहाँ हम तौलिया
यहाँ
सुखाते हैं.
तौलिया सुखाते हैं because इधर आदर्श होता है because he's punished. और ये मास्टर बेडरूम.
What did he say?
मैं
Master bedroom क्या? What did you just say? जिसे master bedroom.
मास्टर बेडरूम
Punished and sleeping outside. Let Kautuk
मास्टर
and Varun sleep in
बेडरूम
the master
नॉट मास्टर बेडरूम.
master bedroom.
तू जो कर रहा है मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
मैं तो कर रहा हूँ.
ऐसे सोच रहा है ठाकुर इतना करवट क्यों ले रहा है? वो करवट नहीं ले रहा रात को. Why is the blanket getting pulled? But not getting pulled.
क्या रे इमैनुअल मैक्रून.
ओहो क्या है ये?
ये हेजल
कौन सा?
अंधे.
हेजलनट है?
हेजल
वो नहीं खा.
क्या है? ये भी
अरे-
अरे जो अच्छा हो रहा था सब खा गए मैं और वरुण. लेमन वाज द बैंगिंग.
Lemon was banging. Thank you for the amazing gift.
ये you don't know. This is surprise.
सरप्राइज चलो गिव इट थैंक
किसके से फिर से
रस भरे रसीले आमों से बना
पान फ्लेवर मैक्रोन खा रहा है पान है
He's eating macaroon like a pan.
स्पिटून में
Kolkata sada macaroon.
The next day,
By the way, banging shows in Delhi and Gurgaon, and we have to say that that section of the show that we do where people come up on stage was absolutely wild.
Pandemonium.
In Delhi, we had like 7-8 girls and one dude. You will see footage of that. Insane. And in Gurgaon, we went a step ahead because there were more people on stage.
Yeah,
at the end and people sitting. And it was insane.
Dude, we had to at some point tell them sorry, no more space.
people on stage. The stage has exceeded its capacity.
We were overbooked.
Yes, but we'll tell you, the reason we're telling you this is because when we come to our next shows in Pune, Bombay, Amsterdam and London, we want you to come with full energy and come on stage. You will know what we mean and you'll have the best time.
एक रुमाल ले गया.
हाँ, रुमाल लेके आओ भाई. Yes.
And or gamcha. Preferably gamcha.
This is a once in a lifetime unicorn event that has just happened.
Never, we are not waiting.
The Aero Bridge has been empty. We've not had to stand in line, and I think we've spoken too soon. Varun. Yeah, the Sala Manus. Why is that one aircraft grounded and the others get to be inside?
It's grounded because it's SpiceJet. It should be on the ground. SpiceJet should actually be a cab. Actually not even. It should be a storage.
नहीं, उसका टेल देखना, उसका टेल बहुत ऐसा लंबा है तो उसको ऐसे झुक के जाना पड़ता होगा प्लेन में. कहाँ है काका?